Good day, everyone. I am Wendell D. Scalona, and this is my reflection on my journey towards becoming a teacher. I choose the teaching profession because I have always seen how much impact teacher can make in personal life. When I was younger, I had teacher who guided me, believed in me, and never give up even when I struggle. They made me realize that education is the most powerful tool to change life. I want to be that person to others, to inspire, to help, and to give hope to students, especially those who came from simple families like mine. For me, teaching is not just a job. It is my calling to serve and to make a difference. In my own opinion, a good teacher must have compassion, patience, and integrity. First, compassion, because you do not just teach lesson, you care about well-being and progress of every student. Second, patience, because learners have different paces, needs, and we must understand each one. Third, integrity, being fair, honest, and treating everyone equally regardless of their background. These are important because when students feel valued and respect, they gain confidence and become eager to learn. As a future teacher, I plan to make learning meaningful and accessible for all. I will do my best to understand the unique situation of every student, especially those who face difficulties at home or in school. I will create a safe and inclusive classroom where everyone feels welcome to share and grow. And also, I hope to work with my schools and community to help reduce gaps in education and inspire my students to become responsible, kind, and productive individuals who will also give back to society someday. The teacher who inspired me most was Mama Hani Kabub, my advisor teacher when I was grade 11. She was always kind, encouraging, and never made me feel less capable. Even when I made mistakes, she did not just teach from books. She listened to us, motivate us to dream big, and remind us that we're all capable of success. Because of her, I learned to believe in myself, and that's exactly what I want to pass on to my future student. I once had a teacher who was very strict, always shouted in class, and often compared students to one another. It made me feel afraid, unconscious, and I lose interest in learning that subject. Because of this experience, I will avoid being harsh, unfair, or making my student feel afraid to make mistake. Instead, I will handle mistake as part of learning, correct them gently, and create a classroom where students feel safe to ask questions and express themselves without fear or judgment. To end this, I know that teaching is a big responsibility, but I am ready to take on this journey with passion and heart. Thank you for your listening, and that's all.